Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good week. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is the weekend. And we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can take a look and see what this is. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this out to you in no time. So, we shall see what it is. And see what other goodies they have to offer also. Alright. Get a little invoice. This is coming from Ollivage. Ooh, Ollivage. Alright, here we go. What do we have here? Solar Path Ground Spike 1 pack. Alright. These things look like. Ooh. We got the stakes right there. Here's a little bulb. There's the solar panels. Really nice. Take the plastic off. Anything else? Look at that. That's a beauty. Stick this hole in there. Bada boom. All the way. All the way. Hail, hail. And I think it goes like this. Gotta go somehow. Give me 1 sec. There we go. Just gotta push it in a little bit. Like that. Careful, it's a little pokey right here. Don't want to poke yourself. Is there like a magic thing? Like, I'm gonna shut the light. Maybe that will help. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's see. Put it right there for now. Let's see if this works. I might need to be charged. Shoot. What's going on here? It might need to be charged. Double A. Hold on 1 sec. Alright, we got it rolling. You gotta unscrew the top part right in here. You just gotta screw it really easy. Take apart. And this is what solar is. There's bulb. There's a little switch right here. It's got on, off. It's automatically off. Just push it in, turn it on, and then come on. There we go. Turn off the lights. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's like the fireflies. That's pretty trippy. I'll find somewhere in my backyard really fast. I add this to the video since it works. It's a nice little shine to it. That's nice. Blue, purple, yellow, teal, or aqua, purple. Yeah, I'm liking this. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to put it outside. Alright, YouTubers, we are outside. There's the moon. Here's the stars. It's a little chilly out tonight. Here we go. And I got it installed right down here. Follow the light. There you go. Pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good night. Be safe. And see you guys tomorrow.